Good morning, magandang umaga. Ako si Lander. Now I'm going to teach you how to speak on Tagalog. Simple steps, simple words or phrases, words. Yeah, let's do this thing. How to say your name in Tagalog. Ako si Lander. My name is Lander. Ako si, add your name, John. Ako si John. My name is John. How to say hello in Tagalog. Kamusta? Or in a polite way, kamusta po at po. Kamusta po. How to say I love you in Tagalog. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. I love you. How to say good morning in Tagalog. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. If you enjoy watching this video, learning some Tagalog, please hit the and subscribe button if you want to. How to say who are you in Tagalog? Sino ka? Repeat it with me. Sino ka? Wow. That's a teaser for Tagalog words. Make sure to watch it again if you want some repeating learning. Yeah, bye. LJ Hobbies out. Part 2 or full video will be uploaded later. Thank you.